So we're at Furgok in Dusseldorf. This is Monica.
Hello.
And
everybody.
and we have this Fiat Ducato campervan. Monica, what's inside?
Let's see.
Let's see. Let's come in. Eyes.
Here you have a 3 people traveling campervan, but only 2 people sleeping, or maybe 2 adults and a child.
Yeah.
Down there. Here.
Yeah. So good.
You have a very big bed.
So we can make the bed extra large as yes.
Here you can reach up to 2 meters
Yeah.
and 1.80 meter wide.
Yes.
So it's very big.
It's unusual in a Fiat Ducato conversion to see the bed like this.
Only in 6 meter long.
Yeah. Okay, but there seems to be something missing inside.
Yes. The bathroom, isn't it?
It is, yes.
You can come here and I will show you.
Okay.
This you can open the door, slide, and close here to make a separation between both spaces here.
Yes.
And you have here the shower tray, which is actually quite big. This is 90 centimeter long and 60 centimeter wide. You have the curtain here. The curtain is antibacterial, so it doesn't take any bad color or smell. You have weights here to make the curtain will always straight, stay in the right position inside of the tray, and doesn't stick to our body. I know it's quite important.
Yes.
You want to come in, Alan?
Okay, certainly, yes. I've got shoes on, so I'll take my shoes
No problem.
Sorry.
I will close you just to check
Okay.
your feeling inside.
How do I feel inside?
Yes.
Well, there I am in the mirror, and I can say it seems like though there's plenty of space, but the really important thing for me is the fact that it doesn't stick to the body
Yes.
when it gets wet, because that often you find these cheap curtains and then they're stuck on your body. You've got to move out of the shower to get it off your body, which sort of defeats the object of going in the shower in the first place. But there's a lot of space as well. Of course, the skylight's open, but yeah, that's great. And it's a Fiat Ducato, yeah. So that seems okay for me.
Already clean?
Yes, I am.
And here, once you have finished, you can store the curtain wet.
Yeah,
So you
wet.
make it.
Okay.
Put it here inside of the plate. You
Yeah.
can see there the drain
Yeah.
where all the water
The water
goes.
will go out. Yeah.
And just leave it here. And you can open the wash machine like this. And the faucet is both is for both things the same.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So good. So the sink goes up in there.
And still one thing is missing, I think.
Yeah, there's something else missing. Where is it? Yeah.
Here it is.
Yeah.
For example, here we can also set the new Klesana toilet, the dry one, with the bag. Now there is no bag, but
Yeah.
normally there is. And this one, just wait. It will thermoseals the bags with your stuff inside and just make hermetic
Yes.
bags, so it's quite clean and no smells. And once you have finished, you close and fold and close again. And that's it.
Yeah, that's it. So you really, what this has done is to create all this space
Yes.
here, and also a good thing is the seat here.
The single seat here, because it allows you to have a huge area close to the kitchen to be more comfortable in case that you are traveling with someone else, the other people can pass by and you are not bothering each other, and you have a huge space here. And also you can increase the surface
Yeah.
of the kitchen also.
And yeah, very good. Yes, yes. The extra space here. We've got a rather large table as well. It's not common to see a table this big in a 6-meter Fiat Ducato. And you also got a bit of storage up there as well.
Yes, here is a huge space, a storage space that you can close with a sliding door,
Yeah.
maybe for your backpacks or blankets or something really big that
Yeah.
normally doesn't fit anywhere else. And here you have sliding windows also,
Yeah.
with glass that you can open during the ride or in any city that you want to stop,
Yeah.
or whatever.
I think that these are a result of in Spain, the legal position which was defined last June,
Yes.
must have been some time ago now, This, if it slides open, you're parked. But if you push it open, you're camped.
Camping.
Yes, that was always my definition. But really good that the Spanish police actually defined it for us to make it very clear. And you know, I agree absolutely with this. There's too many people sort of camping on where they shouldn't be camping, but they can park there.
Yeah,
yes.
That's a big difference.
Yes.
And also here we have a nice refrigerator, 90 liters here with freezer.
Yeah.
And this one could be open from both sides.
So you can get your beer out when you're in bed. Yes, yes.
It's well known.
Yeah. I also note there's a bit of storage under here as well.
Yes, it is. Here we have a hanging area.
Yeah, great.
Some drawers. And a few shelves here inside.
Yeah. Okay, great. Some shelves down there as well. Super.
And also the first step could be open to storage some things.
Yeah, it's down there, we can see.
And there is still one more thing that the people should see. That's the garage, the trunk from the other side, where we can safely drive with our bikes.
Okay, all right. So we'll bikes, okay.
So here you have the big trunk where you can store safely your bikes.
Yes.
And you will also find 2 camping chairs here.
Yeah. Okay. No, and very good. So there's lots of space in here. Do you want to say something about the company?
Yes, we are a Spanish company located in Pamplona, but actually nowadays we already have some dealers in Germany, in Austria, and also in Denmark. And we are trying to open new markets, so maybe soon in another country. And we have been for 17 years building vans, and not only the standard layouts, because we are receiving a lot of feedback from our customers that we highly appreciate, and we take into the right direction to improve our vans.
Yes.
And well, we try to use also the best materials that we can, and give the best autonomy also.
Yes, certainly with this non-standard layout, the bathroom, for example, is really good. Winnebago came up with something like that, I think even in the 80s, but it wasn't this good, of course, but it was a pull-out thing, and then you built the bathroom around it.
Yes.
But it was in much bigger vehicles as well. So that's great. Now we have got other videos from Furgok, which I'll link to below, and we will be seeing some more here. So perhaps in the next video we can go and see this one. But what is this van called? Does it have a name?
Yes, it has.
Yeah.
It's a Furgok Export Long.
Export Long.
600.
600. It's on the Fiat Ducato base. So thanks for that, and we'll have some links to the videos below.